This video is going to show you how to use your Marlin Spike knife, sailing boating knife, and this is the pike right here. And main reason we do send you a knife is to remove knots, specifically on the lifting strap that comes with your go hoist unit. Once you tie a knot, a loop knot, as we show here, the Marlin Spike will help you remove that knot no matter how tight it is. It may look impossible to remove, but this little tool will do it right here. So go through a couple of pieces or different parts of this knife. We've got a can opener, we've got a sharp edge blade, and this device right here is for loosening shackle bolts. You put the top of the shackle bolt in that loop right there and turn it, tighten it, or loosen it. And but the main purpose of this knife is, the reason we send it is going to be the pike and removing a knot. So let's go ahead and do it here. This loop knot on this lifting strap was used to lift a 2-ton sailboat, and it's pretty tight, as you can imagine and probably experience. So let's go ahead and remove that knot. What we do is we take the pike and we're just going to insert it into the knot, the open end of the knot. There's two parts of that. Here's the first part. We're just going to slowly stick it in there and pry it. We're not going to get it out on the first try, obviously. It's a process, and we're just going to start prying, sticking the pike in that open end of the knot and pry. We'll flip the knot over here and attack it from the other side, the other open end of that. And once again, it's a process of just slowly prying that knot apart. We don't want to work so hard that we'll puncture the strap. We'll put a little small holes in it and little pulls, but we're not going to destroy it or weaken it. Once again, we're just slowly prying out, and we'll start to feel that knot loosen up as we move from one end to the other and start prying it open. And we've loosened that knot now that we can pull it apart with our fingers. So there we go. And this pike works for spike works for more than just the lifting strap. Any knot in any rope we'll go ahead and remove. You can see we got a couple little frays in the strap, but nothing that's going to weaken it. And that's how we use that Marlin Spike.